5 essential Thai phrases today, all about restaurant and dining. Let's go. All right, you're in a restaurant, you on a date, you want to ask for a table for 2. ขอโต๊ะสำหรับ2 คน ขอโต๊ะสำหรับ2 คน Okay? ขอโต๊ะ means can I please have a table? สำหรับ means for 2 คน 2 people. If you want 3 people, 3 คน. So earlier I created a video all about numbers. So you can go back and watch it and just replace the number by learning from that video. Okay, I'll put a link up here. Anyway, it's pretty easy. Okay, so ขอโต๊ะสำหรับ2 คน Okay? Now, if you think that's too long and you don't want to learn that because you're lazy, because I'm lazy, I don't want to learn that, I would say 2 คน or 2 ที่ 2 ที่ means there's 2 of us. If you were 3, it'll be 3 ที่ 4 ที่ whatever. 10 ที่ means 10 people. Okay? Or 10 คน whatever you want to say. Okay? You don't have to say much. Just say 2 ที่ or 2 คน Done. But you're here to learn Thai and you're up for the challenge. Then here we go. ขอโต๊ะสำหรับ2 คน or just say 2 คน 2 คนครับ 2 คนค่ะ Done. Out of here. Okay? You eat, happy, get drunk. Now, next one. Do you have an English menu? How do you say that? มีเมนูภาษาอังกฤษไหม มีเมนูภาษาอังกฤษไหม One more time. Slower. มีเมนูภาษาอังกฤษไหม means that you have this menu in English, please. ภาษาอังกฤษ means English language. So menu is just use a word, the same word menu. มีเมนูภาษาอังกฤษไหม All right? Okay, next one. It's okay. Let me tell you right now. It's okay to ask for soy sauce or salt or sugar or whatever. People are not going to get offended. Yeah, you can ask for soy sauce, salt, pepper, whatever, chili. All right. So how do you say that? For instance, in Thailand, they love to use fish sauce. I personally don't like fish sauce, but you guys might like it. Well, people get freaked out at anything. All right, so just letting you know, in Thailand it's common to have fish sauce in your dish. Okay, you can ask them to remove it or to add more or whatever you want. That's fine. Okay, how to say, can I have some fish sauce? ขอน้ำปลาหน่อย ขอน้ำปลาหน่อย น้ำปลา means fish sauce. ขอ means can I have. Okay? ขอน้ำปลาหน่อย Can I have some fish sauce? But if you want some salt, ขอเกลือหน่อย If you want some sugar, ขอน้ำตาลหน่อย Whatever it is, I create YouTube shorts. You can go down and scroll through to whatever you want to use and use that in a sentence. Okay? All right, that's pretty easy. Next one. This food is way too spicy. อาหารเผ็ดไป อาหารเผ็ดไป It's okay to say it. Don't force yourself to eat it because you order it. Foods are cheap. Don't worry about it. They'll remake it for you. They ain't gonna spit in it. Don't worry about it. All right? They will make a new one for you. Okay? อาหารเผ็ดไป means way too spicy for you. Okay? All right. Next one. I'm allergic to ... such as peanuts. ฉันแพ้ถั่ว ถั่ว means peanuts ฉันแพ้ means I'm allergic to whatever dot you want to put in okay I'm allergic to seafood ฉันแพ้อาหารทะเล okay so whatever you're allergic to just use my YouTube shorts find it I'm gonna keep saying why am I keep saying this you know that you follow my channel I hope and you can see like a whole bunch of words and vocabulary on my YouTube shorts you can use them and replace them just say if you're allergic to shellfish okay ฉันแพ้ shrimp กุ้ง I'm allergic to shrimp I'm allergic to fish ฉันแพ้ปลา or whatever it is okay let's say you're allergic to peanuts ฉันแพ้ถั่ว ถั่ว means peanut believe it or not that was 5 sentences you can use right away at the restaurant okay have fun practice it if you like this kind of content my name is Bodo and I will see you next time peace